What's up everyone? It's me, yours with D3 John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries. Mega love shoutout mga ka-RCFC. We're back for our reaction video for Bunso Ruel Carino para sa kanyang performance of Ocean Deep by Cliff Richard. So tingnan natin kung gagayahin niya pa rin ang Matt Monroe vocal singing this Ocean Deep. Isa to sa mga favorite ko sa karaoke, guys. Kaya naman excited tayo i-check to. But before proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Uy, saan to? Oh my God, he's using his original vocal. I love it. Wow. Ooh, love that. Oh my God, nakakapanibago. Ruel Carino singing a different song with his own vocal. May sound pa rin ni Matt Monroe, but we can feel that is Ruel Carino vocal. Wow. Ooh, love that. I love. Saan to, guys? Linaw pa rin ang wordings, no? Isa yun sa pinakaano sa kanya, yung diction and enunciation. Sobrang linaw. Even if how he sing it, we understand the words. Let's go back to that. Hey! Ang lambing! Oh! Hey! Wow! Ang smooth! Ganda ng hagod niya. Wow! Oh my God, ang sweet ng hagod, and I love the vocal dynamics of Ruel. And nakaka-proud lang that he's singing with his original vocal. At talaga naman, we feel the Ruel Carino charisma and magic of singing, no? Diba? Kalmado lang ang bunso. Saan to, guys? You can comment down below. So kayo mga runs, no? Diba? Yun yung, yung kala mo kakapusin talaga siya. That's his signature style. Hey! Such an orgasm. Ang sweet ng version. Wow! Love that! Diba? The dynamics? Oh, love that. Hey. my God, kinat tayo ni Bunso doon. Balikan nga natin. Parang ando na siya eh, tapos kinat niya. Oo, in-stylean niya tayo. Ganun ng professional singer, guys. You don't need to hit the same version as others as long as you can twitch the note and make the melody and the rhythm still the same. Walang problema doon. I'm proud of you, Bunso. He knows his capability. Very smart thinking. Hey, love it! Oh, inabot niya yon, guys. Wag kayong ano kay Bunso. Inabot niya talaga. Diba? Short but sweet. Natawa na lang siya, but we're so proud of you, Bunso. He knows the artist he is. Kaya ganon. Hindi niya daw ako. Hindi niya kaya. There you have it, guys. That is Ruel Carino singing Ocean Deep using his Ruel Carino vocal. Grabe. I love the performance. Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, his diction and enunciation is always exceptional kapag kumakanta si Ruel. Parang in his mind, that's his strength. 'Di ba? Yung core niya pag kumakanta siya. And very clever and smart singer. He's a certified music artist because hindi mo kailangang abutin ng bonggang-bongga. You just have to sing it your own style, and that's what he did, guys. So, sobrang nakaka-proud yung part na yun that he didn't let he knows his limit, he knows his style, and he's gonna sing it his own style. And he nailed it so much. I love it. So smooth. Such an orgasm. What can you say about that performance, guys? You can comment down below at pag-usapan natin sa comment section. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.